In today's video, I'm going to teach you about global sections in Wix Studio. Whether you're just starting or are a seasoned web designer, understanding global sections can significantly enhance your website management skills. Imagine having the ability to design a section just once, like a header or a footer, and then effortlessly display it on multiple pages throughout your website. That's the power and simplicity of global sections. One of the key features of global sections is that they allow you to edit just once and see your updates reflected everywhere. Think about it. If you ever need to change the design or content of a global section, any adjustment you make will instantly synchronize across every page where that section is being used. This ensures a consistent look and feel throughout your site, making elements like navigation menus, contact forms, or promotional banners function identically site-wide. By doing so, you can maintain a uniform user experience, which is crucial for both aesthetics and usability. Now, global sections are not only about consistency, they are a true lifesaver when it comes to efficiency. Especially if you're managing a large website, the ability to eliminate repetitive tasks like copying, pasting, and manually updating the same content across dozens of pages is invaluable. This streamlined approach saves you significant time and effort, allowing you to focus on what really matters, creating engaging content for your visitors. Let me show you how to navigate this feature inside Wix Studio. If you look at the left sidebar, you'll find an icon labeled Global Sections. When you click on this, you'll see a list of all sections marked as global across your site. These typically fall into three categories: the header, section, and footer. Understanding and utilizing these categories can help you manage your site more effectively. To demonstrate how handy global sections are, consider this. When you add a new page to your site, any sections you've set as global will automatically be included on this new page. This is particularly useful for elements like headers and footers, as these are often the sections housing important details and menus essential to a functional website. And that's it. By mastering global sections, you're not just learning to save time, you're ensuring your website remains cohesive and user-friendly. Two key elements for a successful online presence. Now it's over to you to explore and implement these insights into your own web designs. Happy creating, and thanks for watching.